Hey everyone, and welcome back. My name is Ido, I'm from Golden View Renovation. I'm excited to share about our complete home remodel project, which includes bearing wall removal, kitchen remodel, bathroom, mudroom, and more.
I know it's very hard to believe, but this space looked completely different just 8 months ago. Our team did an incredible job. This kitchen was an enclosed space with a very small storage, no seating area, very dark with the dropped ceilings. And see what a beautiful house we have now. House changed completely. As you can see, we did an open layout, working with our engineering and architecture team. We ran a huge beam across the whole space to make the open layout be possible and design it the best way according to taste of our clients. As you can see, we have a lot of colors, custom finishes, and very unique color palette that I enjoyed through all the project. I really think it turned out amazing.
For this size of a project, I think having full service, everything in-house, like a company like Golden View, I would definitely recommend that type of service. Like I know there's other contractors where you can just work directly with them and you kind of direct them yourself, but for a scale like this, I think it really helped to have their whole team involved. So I would definitely recommend them for that type of project.
If you are interested in home renovation and you don't know where to start, I would love to talk to you. Please give us a call.